What up guys? Bibili ako ng Pakistani roti. So, ito yung oven nila, oh. Tapos nilalagay dun. Namasa dyan sa loob. Ayun, yung pinapay. Tignan natin mamaya. Yun. Hi. Hello, Padre. Yan, o. Minasa, tapos nilagay dun sa may yun. Tapos binikit. Pa? Padre, I can take video?
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
Okay. Yan. Sige, video natin. Dito. Ay, open.
Don't drop me ba?
Yeah. Saling niya.
Can you drop mo ba?
Ayun na yung tinapay, oh. Ay. Kala ko mahulog na yung cellphone. Natin mamaya. Ilang minutes. How many, Paki? How many, my friend? How many? 2? Okay, I will get 2.
Yeah, you have one place.
Huh?
Another she.
Huh?
One need the she.
Okay, one. How much? How much?
150.
150? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Natin, ay. Naka-exposure pala. Maliwanag. Tingnan natin kung luto na. Tingnan natin. Ano? Saan yung tinapay? Where's the tinapay? Where's the bread? Ayun. Ooh, very nice. Ooh, fresh from the oven. Ito. Fresh from the oven. Ay, very good. Isa lang binili ko. Saan? Okay. Thank you. Bye, friend. Yan, kabili na tayo guys, oh.